This is Hirundo Wildlife Refuge. It covers 2,402 acres along Puswa and Dead Stream in Old Town, Maine, Penobscot County. Refuge was founded in 1965 by Oliver LaRoche from his parents' 3-acre camp. Refuge was donated as a trust to the University of Maine in 1983, and this is the gate. The Hirundo Reserve is open 7 days a week to the public from 9 a.m. to until sunset, and there is no fee for admission. There are opportunities for canoeing, geocaching, and photography. In the refuge, there are 7 miles, 11 kilometers of hiking trail, including 3 You enter into Hirundo Wildlife Reserve from here, and this is the parking area. And there are different things near the parking area. Hirundo Interpretive Trail is there, and this is the way to go to the shelter. Here are different interpretive sign, and it is written "Welcome to Hirundo Area Accessible Pathways." Hirundo Wildlife Refuge. The trails are flat, so it is easier to walk on trail, and this one trail which we are seeing, it's area accessible, and also you can see different type of interpretive sign to teach about a natural phenomena, people, and archaeology. This is the lake or a small pond near the site, and here is a small site where you can come and have a small picnic. In this site, snowshoeing and cross-country skiing are permitted in winter, but trail is not groomed. But hunting, trapping, motorized vehicle, smoking, fire, pet, bicycle, motorized vehicle, digging, and picking are not permitted. And this woods, you can see, it is kept as it is, so that insect, salamander, woodpecker, American eel, ducks, red squirrel, etc., they can enjoy the site along with other recreationists in the area. And the forest here is dense along with the trails all along. Lot of sign and symbol. This is a Puswa Lake Strip Interpretive Trail which head toward there. Davy and Preet Bryant Bridge. This is the interpretive sign or signal to show this is the way to go to the shelter or field to forest interpretive trail. And this is another trail. This is a middle loop, and you can see there are different things kept in this trail. This is small free little library also here, and these are the restroom in the Hirundo Wildlife. Yeah, this is the shelter inside Hirundo, and these are the seats for people to spend time. Yeah, there are a lot of items you can do in this shelter. If there is a camping, these are all the things you could do. And this is a office for shelter, and here is a place where you can launch a boat. And in this Hirundo wildlife refuge, canoes canoes and kayaks, they can be reserved for free of charge for public use on the Puswa stream and dead stream on Saturday from spring to fall, and are available to rent for a fee on other days dependent on the availability of equipment and rental staff. Pickup and the boat launch are both located at Gate 3. Snowshoe rental can be reserved free of charge for public use on Saturday throughout the winter month, and are available for rent for a small fee on other days dependent on the availability of this equipment and rental staff. Pickup and boat launch or snowshoe rental pickup is located at Gate 1 in this Parker Reed shelter. Refuge is a living laboratory to conduct scientific research. It is just downstream of Puswa Lake and includes part of the Caribou Bog wetland complex. The refuge is also the site of the National Register listed Hirundo site, a prehistoric Native American habitation site with evidence of 4,500 years of occupation. And this pond also look like a living laboratory for lake study, and also all those species around it and the forest and the nearby location. They mow this ground to maintain as a meadow. That is a modest power in the ground. It is used to track migrating bird, and sometimes people will radio tag the monarch butterfly as they fly to Mexico. And there are a lot of this, and there is a small shelter. I think one of the trail you could start from there near this shelter, and it ends from here. So this is one of the trail beside that ADA accessible trail. And according to Brianna Guy, she is the only full-time staff working as a program director, and they are hiring an outreach coordinator soon. There is also one intern from University of Maine working recently, and this Hirundo is a habitat for bird, red maple, cedar, coniferous area. Yeah, this is a meadows all along in this Hirundo Wildlife Refuge, and this is one of the shelter. And this Hirundo runs on donation and grants. It runs big community events, and also due to the lack of funding, there are very less things done about forest management, and staffs, they write grants and they work on managing this site more actively. This is the place you could come and hang around, and this is how you see different animals in different seasons. To prevent the erosion in the site, in the trail, you can see polythene cover are kept, and so that the sand, gravel and the soil will not flow into the lake when people are walking in. This look like a place for muskrat crossing, because this is the area between the lake and the nearby swamp. A lot of green trees. Rope is kept so that you can hold the rope and walk, and also you can stop people to move in the water. And also when it is flooding in the heavy rain and snow melting time, people will not go to the water, and it will save people go away from the trail. And volunteer maintain these trails, and with the university as a trust for this site, it gets a lot of volunteer. In summer also there are 4 weeks of camps, and they keep on hiring temporary camp counselor. So this is the natural site along the trail you can come and enjoy in Hirundo Wildlife Refuge, and lot of signs are kept beside the woods.